my little kiddies. Welcome to a new adventure here with me, Oliver the Cat, on the learning curve. All right, my little kitties, let's begin. Guess what, my precious kitties? We have a new theme song written for us.
We are the kiddies that learn the words we have heard. Our minds are right, our eyes are bright. We are smart, we are ready to start our lesson. So let's get it, let's get it, let's get in our minds. We are smart, we are brave, we are beautiful in every way. So let's start today.
Hello! It's a great learning day, my little kitties. Today, we will be learning about root words and their rhyming words. This will create a new list of learning vocabulary words that we as little kitties will use in our everyday speaking. So, let's do it. A root word is the most basic part of a word. One of our root words is cat. Say cat with me. Cat. The rhyming words for cat are bat, hat, mat, rat, sat. Our next root word is dog. Say dog with me. Dog. Our rhyming words for dog are fog, hog, jog, log. Our next root word is sun. Say sun with me. Sun. The rhyming words for sun are bun, fun, run. Our next root word is hat. Say hat with me. Hat. The rhyming words that go with hat are bat, cat, mat, rat, sat. Our next root word is bat. Say bat with me. Bat. Our rhyming words for bat are cat, hat, mat, rat, sat. Our next root word is bed. Say bed with me. Bed. The rhyming words that go with bed are red, fed, led, and shed. Our next root word is top. Say top with me. Top. The rhyming words that go with top are hop, mop, pop, stop. Our next root word is cup. Say cup with me. Cup. The rhyming words that go with cup are pup, sup, and up. Our next root word is pig. Say pig with me. Pig. The rhyming words that go with pig are big, dig, fig, wig. Our next root word is box. Say box with me. Box. The rhyming word that goes with box is fox. Our next root word is fan. Say fan with me. Fan. The words that rhyme with fan are man, pan, ran. Our next root word is run. Say run with me. Run. The words that rhyme with run are bun, fun, sun. Our next root word is bug. Say bug with me. Bug. The words that rhyme with bug are hug, jug, mug, rug. Our next root word is hen. Say hen with me. Hen. The words that rhyme with hen are pen, men, and 10. Our last root word is log. Say log with me. Log. The words that rhyme with log are fog, hog, jog, bog, dog, and frog. Hello, kiddies! How would you like to be a part of the Hello Kitties family? Here's what you'll need to do. You'll have to get permission from your parents to join, and their email is used for you to sign up. We are building a learning army of kiddies all around the world. Join our family today. Remember, you can only do this with your parents. All right, my little kiddies, we've come to the end of our class. Let's teach other people what we have learned today. Friends from all nations. Go to the mirror and say to yourself, I am smart.